I'm Barry Bartz. This is a Flying A gasser, 1930 Model A, 427, pump gas, 1050, 125 miles an hour and a quarter mile. And if you look, it's licensed and titled, and I drive it on the street as well. It's the real deal, all steel, 1930 Model A. 700 horse, 706 foot-pounds of torque. Follow me. Real Model A doors, real Model A door latches, all steel. The original wood is still in the roof. You look in the side, they never cut the sole out of this car when they built it. I only built a portion of it, and I've only been turning the screws on it for 3 years. This is fun, it's sketchy, and it gets the job done.